In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MT5 two-factor authentication. First, a quick heads up so nothing feels confusing. MetaTrader 5 doesn't offer a single turn-on 2FA switch inside the mobile app. Instead, MT5 uses a time-based one-time password system, also called OTP. You'll connect your trading account to an authenticator app, and from then on, you'll type in a fresh 6-digit code each time you log in. It's a small extra step that adds a big layer of security to your account. Start on your phone by opening the MT5 app and logging into your trading account. Once you're in, go to the app's settings. Look for an option labeled OTP, one-time password, or sometimes security, depending on your version. This is where MT5 manages the connection to your authenticator. Next, activate the OTP generator. Tap the option that says Bind Account or Enable OTP. MT5 will display a QR code on your screen. In some cases, you might see a setup key instead. Both do the same thing. The QR is just a quicker way to transfer that key into your Authenticator app. Now switch to your Authenticator app. Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator all work well. Open the app, tap the plus button, choose Scan QR code, and point your camera at the QR code shown in MT5. If scanning isn't possible, choose the option to enter a setup key manually and type it exactly as displayed. Keep any setup key private and secure, as it can be used to generate your codes. Once added, your authenticator will immediately create a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Go back to MT5, enter that current code, and tap Confirm or Enable. If the code changes while you're typing, just use the latest one shown. After MT5 accepts it, two-factor authentication is active. From now on, whenever you log in, MT5 will ask for a 6-digit OTP. Simply open your Authenticator app, grab the current code for your MT5 account, and enter it to proceed. If you ever see a code error, wait for the next 30-second cycle and try again. And make sure your phone's date and time are set to automatic so the codes stay in sync. A few final tips to keep things smooth. Don't share your OTP codes with anyone, and before changing phones, plan how you'll move your Authenticator app so you don't lose access. That's it. Your MT5 account is now protected with two-factor authentication.